guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we are going to try out, yes, we're doing a hair routine today, girlies, and we're going to give these Molly May collab with Beauty Works hair curling wave, what's what it's called, the waver kit. We're going to give this a try out today and see what we can create, and let's see if we can get this bush looking rather glam. So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Have you tried this? What are your thoughts on it, and is it really worth the money? Let's find out. So go and get a cuppa or whatever your favorite drink is, and let's get into the video. So here is the bad boy. Okay, it looks quite scary to use, but anyway, we're going to give it a go. So I'm just going to put it onto heat. Sorry, the neighbours are outside having lunch and the baby's crying. And now I have shut the door in the conservatory. It's hot, I'm really getting warm, and I'm going to do my hair with extra heat. That's just perfect. Anyway, we'll do this. The things we do for YouTube, hey? It's all good fun. Right, let's get this on. Okay, switch that on. I don't even know if it's on. Okay, that's heating up, so we'll leave that there. It's got instructions. Yes, the waver manual. Love the look of undone beach hair, us too. The waver instantly creates that S-shaped wave. Think modern mermaid. Whether you have medium, long or short hair, creating that beach-worthy wave at home has never been so easy. A style you can literally do in seconds. This 3-barrel waver will fast become your go-to styler. Okay, display screen. Hasn't got a display screen. Am I missing something? Hasn't got a display screen. Can anyone see a display screen there? Oh, it's there. Okay, so that's at 200. Okay. That's hot. Okay, it's at 200. Is that too hot? Okay. God, it's hot. I'm hot. Oh. God's sake, kid. I think he stopped crying now. I need to open the door. One sec. That's better. Get a bit of fresh air coming in. Okay, so it's got a pro tips on how to use it, and it says before you start, make sure you use the Beauty Works heat protection spray. I haven't got. Blow dry into your own hair or hair. I haven't got. Always start with your hair dry. Section your hair into easy sections to wave. Select 1-inch section of hair. Pull the rest of your hair out of the way and secure it with a clip. It's easiest to add wave to your hair, one section at a time, moving from one side of the head to the other. Please create the first wave pattern by clamping the waver down at your starting point and holding for a few seconds. Hold no longer than 10, depending on how defined you want the curl to be. Then release. Don't hold the waver in one place too long. If you're working with the right heat setting for your hair, 5 to 10 seconds should do. Move the tool further down and start over the top of the waist. Last wave bend. Clamp, then release. Okay, right, that's fine. Okay, so this comes with a comb, so we'll just comb through. I just did brush it, but my hair gets so knotty. And before we do get into all the hair making, I just want to quickly share with you. So I've just received this gorgeous pink t-shirt in the post, and Penny has got a matching one, and it's from the gorgeous Rebecca Lee. I'll leave her channel down below. She has just set up her own tie-dye creations company brand, and we received these. Oh my god, we absolutely love them. Penny is in love with hers. You guys need to go and check it out. I'll leave all the details down below. But yeah, how gorgeous is that? The quality is fantastic. The t-shirt quality is fantastic. This is a large because I'm quite busty, and Penny's got an age 4 to 6. So yeah, and I like it nice and baggy. Okay, so let's use these clips as well. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 clips as well. So let's clip that back and take this. Is that about 1 inch? I don't know. So yeah, I think this is ready and heated. Oh, it's got a stand so that can stand there so I don't burn anything. Right then guys, let's get some beach waves.
Ooh, watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all.
Well, that a beach wave? Have I not left it on too long, do you think? I'm gonna burn my head because this is really hot.
Night.
Oh, now it's curling up.
You can call it what you want. I got something.
I actually like it. There you have it. Okay, I like that. So, I think I'm going to put you on time lapse and whiz around this because, guys, I've got a lot of hair and it's going to take me forever. And you guys don't really want to sit here and watch me do it. So, I'm going to put you on time lapse and then let's see what we come back with. And hopefully, I look like a mermaid. I'll see you in a bit.
Dream, wake me
Oh my god, I am so hot. So it took me just over 40 minutes to do all this, and I think if I did it, maybe if I focus on a bit more, like just testing it now, but if I focus and really probably went for thinner strands, it may take me a bit longer. Oh my god, so my hair is freshly clean, but it looks so greasy and I don't know why. But here we go, the beach waves, and maybe if you combed it out. Oh my god, I love it, I love it. Who loves it? Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Leave in the comments down below, would you go and buy it? Because I know quite a few people have been waiting for me to actually do a review on this. So it's really good. I mean, I've burnt myself a couple of times because it's so big and bulky, but it's gonna get the wave that you want. The only downfall is I keep holding and pressing and the temperature kept going up and down, so I had to go over some curls again because I pressed it and it's gone down and it was cooled down, so it wasn't curling my hair because I've got quite thick hair. And yeah, but overall it is a good wand. It's really hot now. I've just switched it off, I think. Yeah, it says off. So yeah, it's not bad, guys, not bad at all. I think I'm going to be using it a lot more because obviously I'm not going on holiday this year, so this is the only kind of beach wave I'll be getting my locks on. So yeah, anyway guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and do I really recommend it? Yes, I do. I love it. I think it's just so, you know, easy. You probably could get the same effect just by putting plaits in your hair, but if you want something, you know, I think if you were to go strand by strand, slightly thinner than what I was doing, you'd get some really, really nice locks. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next video. Oh, and that's tomorrow night because we're still having lots of fun in Vloggers. Bye guys.